All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. So, guys, today I have a massive back to school haul. I've been had this stuff, but I've been waiting until closer to its time for back to school and everything like that. So, y'all, we have a lot of stuff to go over. Yeah, so let's get started.
We have some paper towels. We have some wipes. We have some spray. I don't know what they are.
Okay, guys, we have some Kleenexes. They wanted like five boxes or so. We have some baby wipes.
Some crayons.
We have they wanted a big, large thing of sanitizer and two small ones, so we have that. They wanted like 6. This was both of my daughters together, so we have like 6 things of index cards. We had to get a pack of number 2 pencils. We had to get, what is this?
Pencils. Headphones.
That's a pencil pouch.
Pencil pouch.
We have a couple packs of college rule paper.
Some erasers over here. We have some books over here.
Yep, composition notebooks. We had to get about 3 or 4 of those. Okay, guys, this right here is graph paper. We had to get 2 packs of graph paper.
Graph paper.
We had to get some USB cards. They wanted iPhone chargers or iPad chargers. We're getting a generic brand. So,
yes.
Okay. And what else?
We have some glues over here. We have some glues over here. Some glue. And some other glues right here. And we have some
Ziploc bags.
Bags. We have some crayons.
Those are colored pencils. We had to get like 2 packs of those.
And
those are mechanical pencils.
We have some
more pencils.
We have some
cardstock. And y'all don't mind her fingernails. She was eating blue Takis, so it's like they dyed her fingernails. We also have this is like a primary journal, so it has, let me show y'all. Okay, guys, so she has some mechanical pencils, I think we mentioned. We have a couple packs of, we have 2 packs of colored pencils. Right here. Those are the colored pencils. We also have copy paper, guys. So we have a total of 7 rims. So we have a case that's there, which is 5 rims, and then we had 2 other ones, single. We have a binder, a 1 and a 1.5 inch binder. What's that up there, Cadence? What is that? What do we have?
Colored pencils.
What are those?
Colored pencils.
Those are markers. Okay. We have some Post-its.
Right. Here. They have it.
Yep. We have 2 packs of highlighters, guys.
But over here that we buy from theirs. Yes, we like buying these all the time.
And we have 2 packs of the Expo dry erase markers, and we have 1 set and then just some of the actual dry erase markers.
Yeah.
And guys, we also have here a bunch of pocket folders. So I'm not sure how many. It's a lot. And guys, as mentioned, we had to get headphones.
Yes, you put them in our tablet and a phone.
We also had to get a pack of dividers, so insert dividers. We also had to get, let's see here. We had to get some pocket protectors. Sheet protectors. Yes, guys. My oldest needed a flash drive for school, so we had to get that. We also have these, what are those?
Sheets.
Those are sheep protectors.
Sheet protectors.
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 Say protectors.
Protectors.
Good job. So yeah, guys, my oldest needed some and my youngest needed some. I think we showed you guys, what are those?
Crayons.
Yeah, so she needed like a couple boxes of the crayons.
That's what I need first.
Yeah. And like I said, we got the sanitizer spray and all of that.
Sanitizer spray that we got from Walmart.
So guys, yeah, so this was like a massive haul that we had to get. And this stuff wasn't cheap at all. Like, you know, and I've always been a parent that wants to purchase the things that the kids needs, only because, you know, I know that I was a recipient of somebody else's parents being a blessing, because I know my parents wasn't able to afford, you know, all of this stuff when we was coming up. So I always just try to get whatever's on the list. But I'm telling y'all, you know, with the rising prices of everything that's happening nowadays, you know, with this inflation and just, you know, everything is just so expensive. I'm telling y'all, you know, which even before the inflation, I've always thought this. I always thought and felt like, you know, teachers, one, they do deserve more money. As well as those teachers deserving more money, they also need to be given some type of like bonus pay or some type of like stipend or something to be able to help them with, like, you know, like the supplies and things. Because I'm not saying that we shouldn't provide for our kids and stuff like that, because we should, but you know, copy paper and things like that, or, you know, like wipes and disinfectant spray, you know, like a lot of this stuff, you know, the government or whoever should be, you know, set aside some money. You know, we can give athletes, you know, these high salaries and just different things like that. And, you know, these are the men and women that are with our children each and every day, teaching them, you know, having to put up with a whole bunch of stuff. You know, the last thing that they should have to be worried about is, you know, the resources and supplies that they need to provide, you know, to help, you know, teach our kids and stuff like that. So, you know, I don't know, but there definitely needs to be a change. But as long as, you know, I'm able to afford it, you know, and as long as God is willing, I'll try to always, you know, get whatever it is that's on the supply list. Now, I ain't gonna lie and tell y'all that I ain't gonna talk no crap about it, because I'm gonna talk some crap about it, but I'm still gonna buy it now. And, you know, make sure that they have what they need, and, you know, be able to hopefully offset some of that stuff so it can be, you know, a blessing to other kids, because not all parents have, you know, the resources right now, because, you know, we all going through it. But, you know, listen, we got money for things that we want to have money for in this country. And, you know, we got to start putting back some money in this educational system, you know, really, you know, for the things that, you know, matter. But anyway, that's enough of my rant. But anyway, if y'all children have went back to school, I hope they have a blessed, prosperous, safe school year. I hope and pray that y'all do the same for my children as well. And y'all, listen, let's just try to continue to do our best. All right. So bye, y'all. Say bye. You gonna tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Bye, y'all.